strengthen your shoulders with these 6 exercises. When it comes to exercising the shoulders, it is very important not to force the area to avoid any injuries or contractions that may occur due to poor movement. The shoulders are the joints of greater mobility in the human body, which gives the upper limbs an endless number of abilities. The muscles that make them facilitate the accomplishment of many daily tasks and, in turn, are those that stabilize the joint. Despite this, it is an area prone to dislocations and spasms, especially when performing physical overexertion without having sufficient strength. For this reason, it is very important to include in the training plan some exercises focused on your localized work, in order to strengthen and tone them. Number 1. Front elevations. To perform this exercise you can use dumbbells, bars or a disc. The important thing is to do it gradually, since you have to gain resistance in the area to be able to work with a significant weight. How to do it? Stand straight, feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, and then lift them in such a way that they fit right in the line of sight of the eyes. Hold the weight for 2 seconds and descend with a slow movement. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions. Number 2. Side elevations. To do this activity you can either stand or look for a chair in which you feel comfortable. The strength will be obtained with the use of dumbbells. How to do it? If you are standing, place the dumbbells on the sides of your thighs, keeping your back erect and your legs together. It begins to raise the weight, until reaching the point of the imaginary line that is marked right in front of the ears. Hold for 2 or 3 seconds and descend as slowly as possible. Perform 10 repetitions. Number 3. Vertical rowing. Vertical rowing can be done with the help of dumbbells or weight bags. How to do it? Stand straight, knees slightly bent and hands in front of thighs holding weight. Lift your arms until they are almost parallel to the floor and, after a brief pause, lower them back to the thighs. Avoid moving your back in the attempt to lift the dumbbells, as this may resent the area. Perform 10 repetitions. Number 4. Iron cross. This activity is done with the help of dumbbells and is an exercise of contraction that, among other things, provides an isometric stimulus. How to do it? Standing with his feet shoulder width apart, he raises his arms to the sides, well extended. Hold a dumbbell with each hand, so that the grip is neutral, with the thumbs up and the palms in front. Move your arms toward the front of the body, as if wanting to find both dumbbells. Return to the starting position and do 10 repetitions. Number 5. Shoulder press. With the shoulder press you can strengthen your muscles and, by the way, you will increase the resistance in the upper body. Its practice reduces the risk of injuries and contractions. How to do it? Standing or sitting on a bench, hold a dumbbell in each hand and bend the arms, so that the elbows are aligned with the shoulders. The palms of the hands point forward and, from this position, the dumbbells are pushed straight upwards. Hold for a few seconds and lower carefully, without moving your back. Perform 10 or 12 repetitions. Number 6. Shrug of shoulders. Although it is a simpler activity than the previous ones, the shrug of shoulders complements the strengthening of the superior part. All the activity is done with the arms fully extended, since the effort is made with the slight movement of the shoulders. How to do it? Stand straight, feet apart at shoulder width and a dumbbell in each hand. Put your arms on your thighs, pointing your palms towards your body. Shrink your shoulders up so the dumbbells rise briefly. Hold for a couple of seconds and return to the starting position. Perform 12 repetitions.